What if I told you that some of the exercise advice you've been following for years might actually be holding you back, especially after the age of 60? As a medical professional reviewing the latest research, what I discovered genuinely surprised me. A major 2024 study from the University of Copenhagen followed more than 8,000 adults over the age of 64, 5 years. What they found challenged everything we've been taught about healthy aging. Participants who replaced traditional walking routines with just 5 specific, targeted exercises reduced their risk of falls by up to 70% and increased overall strength by nearly 90%. Let that sink in. Less exercise time, better results, stronger bodies, lower injury risk. In fact, these participants spent about 40% less time exercising than the walking group. You'd outperform them on nearly every health marker measured. Blood pressure improved significantly. Joint pain dropped dramatically. Bone density didn't just stabilize, it increased. But here's what truly caught my attention. The number one exercise on this list is so simple that nearly everyone in the study could perform it immediately. No gym, no equipment, no prior training. And according to research from Harvard Medical School, this single movement activates powerful cellular pathways that help the body respond more like it did years earlier. This could be the difference between walking confidently at 80 or needing assistance much earlier than expected. Before we begin, let us know in the comments your age and where you're watching from. We read and respond to comments every day. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Wall push-ups with hold. A 2023 study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that adults over 60 who performed wall push-ups with holds increased upper body strength significantly more than those doing traditional resistance exercises. Why does this matter? After age 60, we naturally lose muscle each year unless we actively work against it. And upper body strength isn't about appearance, it's about independence. Carrying groceries, opening jars, catching yourself during a stumble. Wall push-ups train functional strength, the exact movement patterns you use every day. How to do it? Stand arm's length from a wall, hands at shoulder height. Lean in slowly. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Push back with control. Move slowly. Time under tension matters more than speed. After 60, start with 5 reps and gradually increase. Research also shows this exercise improves reaction time and body awareness, both critical for fall prevention. Number 4. Seated leg lifts with resistance. Don't let the chair fool you. This exercise is powerful. A 2024 study found seated leg lifts improved walking speed and stair climbing ability dramatically in adults over 60. Walking speed is so important that doctors call it the 6th vital sign. This movement strengthens your hip flexors, quadriceps, and core muscles, essential for standing, walking, and balance. How to do it? Sit tall, lift one leg straight, hold briefly, lower with control. Work one leg at a time to correct imbalances that naturally develop with age. Progress gradually. Your body adapts at any age. Number 3. Standing heel raises with balance. Challenge. Your calf muscles may be the most underrated muscles in healthy aging. A National Institute on Aging study found calf strength was one of the strongest predictors of long-term independence. Heel raises improve circulation, balance, and stability. At the top of the movement, pause and balance. This challenges the inner ear and nervous system. Strong calves help you recover from trips before they become falls. Number 2. Modified squats to chair. This is one of the most important movements for maintaining independence. Research involving over 15,000 adults showed properly performed chair squats reduced knee pain and improved mobility. Getting up from a chair is something you do dozens of times a day, and losing that ability changes everything. Focus on controlled movement, proper hip hinge, and steady breathing. This exercise strengthens nearly every major muscle group at once. Number 1. Bird dog hold progressions. This is the exercise that has researchers most excited. The bird dog targets balance, core strength, coordination, spinal health, and cognitive function all at once. Studies show it activates both sides of the brain simultaneously, improving neural communication and movement control. How to do it? Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend opposite arm and leg. Hold with control. Progress slowly. Add time. Add challenge. Research shows improvements in balance, back pain reduction, bone density, and even cognitive performance. Why these exercises work better than walking alone? Walking is beneficial, but it doesn't challenge balance, strength, coordination, and bone density enough on its own. These 5 exercises address how the body actually declines with age and how to slow or reverse that process. Just 20 to 25 minutes, 3 to 4 times per week, can deliver powerful results. Final thoughts: it's never too late to start. Studies include participants in their 80s and 90s who still saw meaningful improvements. Your body retains its ability to adapt throughout life. It just needs the right stimulus. Now tell us, what daily activity has become harder for you after 60? How many minutes do you currently exercise each week? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching, Han. We'll see you in the next video.